In this video, I want to show you the convert to SVG feature of the Megapack. Now what this does is it will convert a PowerPoint file, each slide in a PowerPoint file, into SVG, that's vector images. Now where you might find this useful is if, for example, you've created puzzles in PowerPoint, or you've created a template or interior in PowerPoint. You can export this as a vector, which means the quality will stay the same no matter what size you make it. And in addition to this, when you convert into SVG, that also means then you can open and edit that content, that puzzle, that interior in software such as Adobe Illustrator and Affinity Designer. So what we're going to do is, once the Megapack is open, next to choose an option, we're going to go down and click convert to SVG, hit OK. And then here, we're going to browse to select our PowerPoint file. Now, just because it's a PowerPoint file doesn't mean that it needs to be created in PowerPoint. If you've made it in Keynote, LibreOffice, OpenOffice, Google Slides, etc., all these pieces of software have the ability or option to save as a PowerPoint file also. So here's one that I made earlier with just some Sudoku puzzles in. So we're going to select it. I'm going to hit open, and then where it says choose where to save, I'm going to hit browse again. And in here, if I create a folder, I call it SVGs, select, and then hit OK and wait for the process to complete. And then that's converted, hit OK. And then if I show you in the folder here, I have all of my slides, 200 of them, exported as SVGs. And if I open one of them up, as you can see, no matter how big that you make them, the quality stays exactly the same. So I hope this quick introduction to the convert to SVG feature of the Megapack helps you. Thanks for watching.